Hello friends, welcome back. So in the last step we just set up the limit service. Now in this step we'll write the REST controller, and we'll try to uh, just hard code the minimum and the maximum limit. So basically this application is going to return the minimum and the maximum limit. So first we'll do the hard coded of the minimum and the maximum limit, and thereafter we'll try to read it from the application dot properties file, and thereafter we'll try to read the configuration from Spring Cloud config server. So let's take a baby step and go one by one. So first we will have a hard coded configuration, minimum and the maximum limit, and then we'll go for the application dot properties. So let's see. So let's create one class and give the the package controller. Okay, and here is let's say give limit service controller. Okay, now how will you make this annotation REST controller? Okay, so now we'll write one method, uh, public, and let's say uh, let the name of the bin limit service configuration. Okay, and give the method name retrieve limit configuration. Okay, here this is not defined, so let's define this. Control 1 class. So the make here, put this into the bin or put this into the model. Okay, and finish. Okay, so class is here. So let's define two attribute, private int minimum, private int maximum. Okay, create getter and setter, source, generate first generate constructor using field, generate. Okay, generate then getter and setter. Okay, and generate one default constructor as well. Okay, so this is nothing, this is a simple the bin. Okay, that we have limit configuration service. This will stores the minimum and maximum. Okay, and just it will print, nothing else. Okay, now return this new limit service configuration. Okay, and suppose what is the minimum. Let's say you are taking minimum is 1 and maximum is 999. So for now I am just doing the hard coding minimum and the maximum. If you go there, this will come here. Okay, minimum and maximum, and this attribute will captures the minimum and the maximum limit of these services. Okay, so this will return only the minimum and the maximum. Got it? And this will want to map with the REST get mapping, and put here limit hyphen service. What is the get method name? Limit hyphen service. Okay, and this get mapping is associated with the method retrieve limit configuration. That's it. Okay, our REST controller is ready. Let's go there, build this. The thing is getting built. So here the started limit service application. Okay, our service has started. So we have used the dev tools. So whatever the changes you are making, Spring Boot will pick those changes. You don't require to stop and restart the services. Okay, now go to the browser and type http localhost and default port is running 8080. Okay, and you type here white label error message because there is no default port. So what we need to do, tell me, hyphen limit hyphen service. Okay, see the minimum is 1 and maximum is 999. So suppose I am trying to change the hard code. Let's say minimum is 10 and maximum is 888. Control S, I saved it. It's automatically picked up the changes. Okay, now let it run. Yeah, Tomcat started on port 8080. Go there and see, refresh it. Now it's coming. So you wonder, if you are trying to do the same thing, you will not get this thing in a JSON format. So what you need to do, you need to plug in the JSON in your browser. So how will you do that? So you can just type plugin JSON. Okay, in Chrome, let's say JSON viewer Chrome plugin. Okay, so you can go there, extension, you can click here. Okay, and you can add to Chrome. So JSON viewer will be added to the Chrome. I have already added, that's why I am able to see in this JSON format. Okay, so up till now what we saw like we just created one REST controller. Okay, we just created one get method. Okay, of HTTP get method. Okay, then the get method is mapped with the retrieve limit configuration, and we just returning the hard coded minimum and the maximum limit. Okay, so in the next step we will not do the hard coded. We will read this configuration minimum and the maximum limit from the application dot properties. Until then, bye bye, see you.